Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take more important questions of expansion of determinants using properties of determinants. First question, without expanding, show that determinant b plus c plus a plus b, then q plus r plus p plus q, y plus z plus x plus y is equal to twice first row ABC, second PQR, third XYZ. Proof: left hand side is determinant B plus C plus A plus B, Q plus R plus P plus Q, then Y plus Z plus X plus Y. Operating on first column C1 plus C2 plus C3. So we get 2 common, A plus B plus C. This is first column, 2 into P plus Q plus R, then 2 into X plus Y plus Z. Then second column is C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. Then A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Taking 2 common from first column, A plus B plus C, first column P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. Second is C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. Third column is A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Operating on second column C2 minus C1 and third column C3 minus C1. We get left hand side is first column A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. 2 common. Then second becomes minus B minus Q minus Y. Third is minus C minus R minus Z. Then operating on first column C1 plus C2 plus C3. So we have 2 into BC will be cancelled, we are left with A. QR will be cancelled, we are left with P. YZ will be cancelled, we are left with X. So second and third column, second column is minus B, minus Q, minus Y. Third is minus C, minus R, minus Z. Taking minus common from C2 and C3, 2 into minus 1 is equal to 2 into first row is ABC, second is PQR, third is XYZ. So is equal to 2 into determinant first row ABC, second PQR, third XYZ, which is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Second question. Question second. Prove that determinant first row 1 plus A 1 1, then 1 1 plus B 1, then 1 1 1 plus C is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Prove left hand side 1 plus A 1 1 first row, 1 1 plus B second row, 1 1 plus B 1, then 1 1 1 plus C is third row. Then taking common A from first column C1, B from C2 and C from C3, we get ABC into 1 over A plus 1, 1 over A, 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over B plus 1, 1 over B, then 1 over C, 1 over C, 1 over C plus 1. Operating C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. We get left hand side is ABC common into first column 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Second column 1 plus 1, in the first column second term 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Third term is 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Then second column 1 over B, 1 over B plus 1, 1 over B. Then 1 over C, 1 over C, 1 over C plus 1. Taking 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over E plus 1 over C common from C1. Taking 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C common from first column C1. We get A, B, C into 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C into first column is 1, 1, 1. Second is 1 over B, 1 over B plus 1, 1 over B. Third is 1 over C, 1 over C, 1 over C plus 1. Then operating on R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So we have is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C into determinant. First row is 1, 1 over B, 1 over C. Second is 0, 1, 0. Third is 0, 0, 1 over, 1. Expanding by first column C1, left hand side is ABC into 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C into 1 minus 0 plus 0. So this is A, B, C into 1 plus 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. This is middle term. Middle term multiplying this A, B, C plus multiplying this A, B, C plus B, C plus C, A plus A, B is equal to right hand side. Third question, show that determinant 3A minus A plus B minus A plus C, then minus B plus A, 3B minus B plus C. Third row is minus C plus A minus C plus B, 3C is equal to 3 into A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Proof, left hand side, determinant is 3A minus A plus B minus A plus C. Second row is minus B plus C, 3B minus B plus C, then minus C plus C, minus C plus B, 3C. Then operating on first column is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. We get is equal to A will be cancelled, it is A plus B plus C, then minus A plus B minus A plus C, A plus B plus C, then 3B minus B plus C, then A plus B plus C, then minus C plus B, 3C. Taking common A plus B plus C from C1, we have is equal to A plus B plus C into determinant. First column is 1, 1, 1. Second is minus A plus B, 3B minus C plus B. Third column is minus A plus C, minus B plus C, 3C. Operating on R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. We get left hand side A plus B plus C. Determinant first column is 1, 0, 0. Second becomes minus A plus B, A plus 2B, A minus C. Third becomes minus A plus C, A minus B, then A plus 2C. Expanding by first column, C1 is equal to A plus B plus C, 1 into A plus 2B into A plus 2C, it is A square plus 2AC plus 2AB plus 4BC. Then minus A minus B into A minus C, minus A square plus AB plus AC minus BC minus 0 plus 0 is equal to A plus B plus C. Now calculate this. A square will be cancelled. 2AC plus AC is 3AC plus 2AB plus AB is 3AB plus 4BC minus BC is 3BC. Taking 3 common, 3 into A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to right hand side, hence proved. That's all. In the next video also we shall take more very important questions from previous board examinations also. And so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe Mathematics for everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.